Hey YouTube! Johnny Lightning fans! Yep, here they are. 2016 Johnny Lightnings. They're back! Picked up a few of these. You got Johnny Lightning. It's Muscle Cars USA. They come in this hard plastic. Got your little card right there. This is number 2. It is a 1971 Buick GSX in yellow. Look at that. Your collection, our passion. Ages 6 and up. Die-cast metal body and chassis, detailed engine and interior, which if you take it out of the package you can see that. Authentic factory colors. That's the Muscle Cars USA. Alright, here's the next one. Number 5, a 1969 Dodge Coronet RT. Looks like a convertible. Look at that green. Try to get the glare. I like this light. Natural light. So that's the second muscle car. And third, number 4, 1967 Chevy Chevelle Malibu. Look at that white top. So that's the muscle cars. So as I'm missing the number 1, number 3, and number 6. Yep. Because I got 2, 4, and 5. And next we have its Classic Gold collection. This is a 1965 Buick Riviera. Look at that red. Not bad looking. Color looks awesome. Coming up here now, number 6, 1965 Pontiac 22. Catalina? Is that how you say it? Catalina? Look at that. Pontiac. Number 5, 67 Ford Fairlane 500 XL. Look at that. Baby bluish. Blue rims. Ford. And last, which is number 2, is your 72 Ford Maverick in this nice blue. Right there. So that's Johnny Lightning 2016. I hope you liked. Subscribe, comment, watch my other videos, and look out for the next one, because I'm going to keep them coming. Alright, King Hot Wheels, peace out. Later.